100 grams of beetroot contains 4.9 milligrams of vitamin C. The Oregon State University states that dietary and topical application of vitamin C is beneficial for skin cells. Vitamin C is naturally present in the epidermis, the skin's outer layer, and the dermis, the layer beneath the epidermis. Because of the following properties, vitamin C is commonly added to anti-aging products: skin repair and hydration, dry skin prevention, antioxidant properties that may contribute to collagen synthesis. Beetroots are also rich in folate, with 1 cup or 136 grams of raw beets providing 148 micrograms of folate, approximately 37% of the daily recommended intake. In 2012, a study stated that folate mainly works to protect against sunlight exposure, which primarily causes skin damage due to the UV radiation. Moreover, 100 grams of beetroot contain 2.8 grams of dietary fiber. This acts as prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in the gut. Researchers have long looked for the link between acne and microbiota for the past century. Before, psychological stress and diet were thought to only have a little relevance to acne. However, with the discovery of the brain-gut-skin axis, it is now understood that for some people, microbes in the intestines have a significant effect on acne. In general, beets and beetroot juice can be safely consumed without any adverse reactions. Beetroot juice contains nitrates that may alter blood pressure, though. If you have low blood pressure or on blood pressure medication, I suggest you consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating beetroot juice or beans into your diet. Lastly, beets have a high oxalate content. Oxalates may cause kidney stones if you are at high risk of developing this condition. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot to me. You may also want to hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.